Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today.
Are you looking for a complete personal narrative unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In our last video, we learned how to add dialogue and thoughts to a personal narrative essay. Today, you will learn how to write a strong lead paragraph. A lead is the first paragraph of a personal narrative essay. It sets up the start of the story and pulls the reader in so they want to keep reading. Before we start writing the lead, let's stop and think about where exactly it fits in our small moment. Think of your story like a picture. The lead helps the reader see the whole picture. It helps them understand the setting and what's happening overall. The lead does not repeat what's in the first body paragraph, and it also does not give away the ending. There are 5 types of leads that you can choose from: action, question, sound effects, dialogue, and description. Let's take a look at each one. An action lead shows what you and others were doing at the very beginning of the moment. In my whale watching story, the first body paragraph begins when I'm already standing at the edge of the boat. So in my lead, I'll describe actions that help the reader picture how we got there and what the boat felt like. To turn this into a full paragraph, I'll add adjectives and powerful verbs to show how I moved, what others were doing, and how the boat felt. Here's my action lead paragraph. I stepped slowly toward the back of the boat as it rocked beneath my feet. Passengers stepped aside and reached for the railings, while waves splashed against the side. I stayed close to my brother as we made our way through the crowd. A question lead starts by asking a question that makes a reader want to know more. You take what you thought or felt and turn it into a question. So, as the boat rocked, I was feeling nervous. I can turn this into a question using words that show I was nervous, like, have you ever felt your stomach tighten when the ground suddenly starts to move? To make this a full paragraph, I can answer the question and add details that give readers a clue about what is going to happen in the small moment. Here's my question lead. Have you ever felt your stomach tighten when the ground suddenly starts to move? The boat shifted beneath our feet as the water rolled around us. People stood close together, and I stayed near Jake as we moved toward the back. A sound effect lead starts by using sound words that may have happened at the start of the moment. For my whale watching story, I remember hearing the waves on the side of the boat. I can use the word crash. To build this into a paragraph, I can tell what the sound was and add what else was happening, or how I was feeling when the sound happened. Let's take a look at my sound effects lead. Crash! Waves banged against the side of the boat, making it rock back and forth. Water sprayed into the air, and voices around us grew louder. The noise made my heart race as my brother and I moved farther back. A dialogue lead begins with someone talking. People on the boat were commenting on how much it was rocking. Someone might have said, "This boat is really starting to rock." To make this a full paragraph, I can put what someone said back or what happened after the talking, using adjectives and powerful verbs. Here's my dialogue lead. This boat is really starting to rock, someone said nearby. People shifted their feet and reached for the railings as the waves picked up. Jake and I stayed close as we headed toward the back. In a description lead, you show what the scene looked or felt like, so the reader can picture it. This is where you can add more of those 5 senses that we talked about in the Show Don't Tell lesson. Here's some of the 5 senses that come to mind when I picture my whale watching trip. It was an evening boat trip. The sky glowed with streaks of pink and orange as the boat rolled on the water. To make this a full paragraph, I'll add details about the setting and emotions. Let's take a look at my description lead. The evening sky glowed with streaks of pink and orange as the boat rolled on the water. Waves lifted and dropped the deck beneath us, and the air felt tense. Passengers watched the water carefully as the boat rocked. Be sure to remember that there is no best lead. Just choose one type. The one you pick should go well with your small moment and flow smoothly into your first body paragraph. Now you're ready to write your own lead paragraph. Thanks for watching our teaching video on writing a lead paragraph for a personal narrative essay. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our personal narrative writing resources. Check the description for more.